Yo, what's going on, guys? Just on my way to pick up Andy Susano. Check out his channel down below. We'll be on our way to a photo shoot with Mike, our friend who has a black S15. You'll see it later on in the video. But you know, let's get it. Yo, what up, Andy Susano?
Hey, what up, guys?
What's up? Let's fucking get this shit done.
What are we off to today, Bobby?
Well, we're off to see our buddy Mike. His black S15. We'll see how it rolls. Apparently it's already ready to go, you know.
Freshly polished.
Freshly polished, freshly ceramic coated, looking schmick.
Let's get it, boys.
What the fuck?
Oh, coronavirus.
Wow, what a hectic CLB, bro.
That's fat, man. What are you getting?
In the one box.
I'm getting a zero box. I was gonna come to fuck KFC.
Alright, boys, we're just here at KFC in Bankstown, I think. Just grabbing a feed before we meet up with Mike for his photo shoot. But today's gonna be lit, so let's get that content, boy.
I'm wondering why we're eating outside and not inside in the seats. Because we're outside the KFC.
Because he? That fuck out the way. Yo, what is going on, guys? We just arrived at Mike's. Gonna give him a call and we'll see you in a bit. Yo, so we're at Super Cheap Auto getting some shit for Mike's car. Holy shit, you can't see me. Yep, there we go. Andy, what are we doing here, bro?
I'm waiting for Mike to grab all his shit for his car, right? And I'm waiting for him to get his wiper plates changed because he's kind of like screwed them up himself. That's part of the plan. I don't know. But anyways, also we're gonna remove his front splitter.
We're gonna remove this bitch over here. Probably at the shoot location, right, Andy?
Yeah, more like a shithole creek.
But yeah, photos soon, bro. Don't worry.
No good.
No good.
No good racing.
No good.
No good racing.
Hey bro, this is the first time you work on your car?
I always work on my car.
No comment.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, bro.
No comment.
I just make it look like everyone else works on my car, but I work on the cargo.
That's right.
What's up? So we are still at Super Cheap Auto, and here's what.
Almost there, boys.
Who says I don't work on my cars?
Bro, how lucky do you feel, bro?
He's talking shit. He's talking shit.
How lucky do you feel, bro? 88 spec, you lucky, bro? You feeling lucky, punk?
I feel like the
88 spectacles.
You feeling lucky, punk, bro?
Lucky 88
That's the whole point.
Yo, what's up? We just got here. We're just about to take photos. There's Mike's car in all its fucking glory. Alright, boys. $2,000 alarm system.
$2,000 alarm system. Be like, let's go. Oh shit! No fucking driver, just in case he's doing a magic trick. Damn, bro. That's what. Woo!
Alright, boys, we're just about to wrap up the shoot. Look at that sexy beast behind me, bro. Instagram link in the background. Mike, you have anything to say about your car, bro?
Follow me. Mike3XC. MIK3XC.
Wow, what a beast, bro. And don't forget to follow Andy Susano, which
There's some
is...
merchandise, guys. Website will be somewhere in Bobby's description, alright? Check it out.
So, I just got home, just chilling now. But today was a good day. We got some good shots. Got shit done, you know, and be sure to like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down. Thanks for tuning in.